Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper on Saturday, May the 16th, 2020. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a binary and a tectonic. So total of 6 Sudokus to solve today. So let's get started with the first one, a Sudoku with 1 star. Alright, I see a 6 in this column, a 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 6, I need to wait. How about the number? Let me see. The number the number we have a pair, I see. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. Two of them are the 7 and the 8. We have a 7 and the 8 here, so no 7 and the 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 and the 8 goes there as a pair. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 5 and 1. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. We have a 1 in this column, a 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. We have a 4 in this column. A 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the number 5 and the 7. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. And then we have 8, 9, and 3. No, I need more numbers. A 2 in this row, a 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. How about the number? The middle row, 3 missing numbers. The missing numbers are 1, 2, the 3 is missing. The 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. And look, we have a 9 here. No 9 there. And look, we have a 9 over there. No 9 here. 9 should be here because 1 box left for the 9. The other 2, the 3 and the 8, the 3 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. Same like here, the 3 and the 8 as a pair. 3 and 8. Here also the 3 and the 8. 3 and the 8. But in this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. Here also a 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. Then there are 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 8 in this column. And look, we have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Here, 1 number left should be the 8. In this middle row, we have an 8 in the last column, the 8 in that column, so in the column between. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. And now, we have an 8 in one of these two boxes. In this row, we have an 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be there. Three. These two numbers in this column, the missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there, 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for the 1 should be here. These two numbers left a pair. I believe this should be the 4 and the 7. The 7 and the 4, 7 and the 4. Here also a pair, 3 and 8, and here also a pair, 1 and the 9. The 1 and the 9, 1 and the 9, 1 and the 9. Alright. How about... Yes, the last column, we have 5 missing numbers. Yes, one of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And now... And now... 7 and 8, I've marked them. And we have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. We have an 8 now, so this cannot be an 8 anymore, so this should be an 8. And this should be a 3. 2 numbers left. 1, the 2 are missing, and 7 is missing. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 3. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 5 and the 3. How about these 2 numbers? The 3 and the 3 and the 3 and the and cannot be the 1, 2, no 2, the 3 and the 4, the 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4, no, cannot finish yet, need to wait. 3 and a 4. We have a 2 in this row, a 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 9, 8, 1, 6. Alright. And now I need to think. The 7. Two. This should be the 2. This should be a 2. How about the 7? No, 7 I cannot fill this yet. No, 1 also. I think there are a lot of pairs now. The 3 should be here. 3. Okay. The 6 also. I think I need to mark some boxes, otherwise it will be very difficult. 1, that means here goes the 1. Here also the 1. How about the 9? That means here the 9. We have also here the 9. How about the 7? That means here the 7. How about the 6? That means in the first row here 6 or there the 6. Here we have the 5 and the 3. I marked them. How about the 2? 2. So here we have a 2 there. So this must be a 2. We have a 2. That means here a 2, but we have a 2 there. So this could be a 2. This could be a 2. How about the number 6? That means here in between we have a 6 here or 6 there. So the 2 and the 6 and the 5 are missing. 2, 6, 5, 5. This row, yes. 2, 6 and a 5 are missing. 2, 6 and a 5 in this row. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. Here also a 5, no 5 there. Only one place left for the 5 should be there. 2 and 6 are left. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. 2 there, that means in the last row, here 2 or there 2, we have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here. That means we have a 9 left here, because in those 2 boxes cannot be a 9. We have a 9 here, that means here cannot be a 9, here should be the 9, and here should be the 1. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore, so this should be the 1, and 1 box left for the 3. We have a 3, that means here 3 or there 3. We have a 4, that means here 4 or there 4. And the 7 is also missing. 7, so here 7 or there 7. We have a pair, the 3 and the 7. So it cannot be a 6. The 6 should be here. And the 4 goes and there. 4, that means here 4 or there 4. One box left here in this row for the number 3. 3, that means in the column between here 3 or there 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. Here should be supposed to be the 3. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be anymore a 4. So this should be the 4. This should be the 7. 4, that means here are 4. Because we have a 4 there. So this cannot be, this should be the 4. 2 boxes left for the 5 and the 7. 2 boxes left, the 7 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this should be a 7. This should be a 5. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5. This should be a 3. This should be a 5. 3 and a 7 left. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright. For a Sudoku with 1 star, could be faster. Anyway, always the first Sudoku. It's always not the first with 1 star. I think this should be a 2 star or 3 stars. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. Thank you and see you soon.